In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect YouTube TV to Amplifier. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which amp model you have, connecting a TV with YouTube TV is extremely simple. There are two main ways of doing this, and it is what I'm going to be showcasing in this video. So for these methods, you will either need an HDMI cable or an optical cable. Both of these are convenient, easy to use, and they will be available on most modern TVs and most modern amps. So to set this up, all that you have to do is locate the specific ports on the back of your amp and the TV. So if you want to use HDMI ARC, make sure that your TV and amp support the feature. There is going to be a specific or multiple HDMI ports labeled with the letters ARC. If that's the case, then one HDMI cable is going to be able to send both the video and audio signal. So you grab a USB or an HDMI cable, you plug one end of the HDMI cable into the TV, and the other end goes into the ARC port on your amplifier. So double check to see if it's labeled as ARC. Sometimes it is going to have a normal HDMI port with no ARC label. In that case, this is most likely not going to work. So once you have it plugged in like this, you will be good to go. The other option is using an optical cable, and the idea is the same. You find the optical port on your TV, so optical in, you plug it into the TV, and then you find the optical port on the amplifier, and you plug the other end of the cable in. Very easy to do and reproduce. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.